guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shelby. Before I start saying anything, I wanted you guys to do me a huge favor. If you guys could subscribe to my friend Nicole's YouTube. She just started and I just wanted to give her some support because I know it's hard to get some subscribers. So I'll leave her link down below. But yeah, continuing, I decided to do this prom makeup tutorial. It's really easy, super simple, fast. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Click the bell button to get my post notifications. And yeah, let's get ready to do this look. To start off, I'm gonna be using the Smashbox primer, photo finish. So I'm gonna start off by doing my eyeshadow, and to prime that, I'm gonna be using this Tarte concealer in light sand. To blend it, I'm gonna be using my beauty blender. By the way, guys, I know I said I was gonna start recording more, and I am, but the thing is, the camera got messed up, so I had to wait a while to record. But you know, after this video, I promise I'm back. I always forget that this concealer's too light. I should have used the YSL one. And to set it, I'm gonna be using the Patrick Star powder. Alright, so for this look, I've done it before. If you have me on Snapchat, you've probably seen me do this look so many times. It's really easy. It looks really fancy. I've been told so many times that it looks really good. Just gonna do it right now. It's pretty easy. Oh, I already said that it's easy. To start off, I'm gonna be using my favorite everyday eyeshadow palette, the Kylie one. First brush I'm gonna use is Morphe M505, and I'll be going in with this color right here. Next, I'm gonna be going in with this color right here, and I'm gonna be using the Kylie brush. I don't know if you guys noticed, well, people that know me obviously notice, I got my braces off. I have my retainers on right now, so if I'm talking funny, that's probably why. I am gonna go in with my Morphe M14 brush, and with this, the darker color right here, I'm gonna just put it a little lower than the rest of the colors. I want it to be visible when I cut it right here, just so that it makes it look like sharper, more defined.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea into the blue.
So next, I'm gonna go in with the nude beach palette, and I'm gonna use the color Babe. This is my favorite color. I love using it.
To live through. You came into my...
Yeah, I'm gonna use the last brush that I used. I'm gonna go back in with that like dark brown.
Just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year.
And I'm gonna just add a little bit of black. Using black eyeshadow is so hard. I don't recommend it. You could probably just use the brown, but I decided to go with the black to make it a little more dramatic. I mean, that's why there's always practice though, so if you want to go for it, go for it. Nicole, if you're watching this, I just got your message right now. When did you start doing YouTube? I'll respond when I'm done right now. But alright, so I already primed my face, but I'm gonna be using the Professional Pearl Primer just to, it's supposed to make your face like more glowy, right? Yeah, I want to do that. You want to look your best for prom. I didn't. I look at pictures, I'm like, ooh, could have looked better. I don't know why I chose the dress that I chose. I had way better options, but at the time I thought it looked best on me, and it didn't. The day when the day actually came, I looked at myself in the mirror when I was ready. I was just like, oh, I should have chose the pink dress. My mom kept telling me, choose the pink dress, remember? And for foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in the color 290. So I'm gonna just go like that on this one because I don't have time to be doing dots. This foundation dries up so quick.
But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
I'm gonna go buy new foundation. I'm running out of all of them already. I don't like the Born This Way foundation anymore, guys. Remember how much I used to use it in all my videos? It's too dark for me, I think, now. And I don't know, my skin type has changed, and whenever I wear that foundation, I just feel like I get so oily, and I don't like it.
In the breeze.
But lately, this one, the Bare Minerals foundation, and the YSL foundation have been my three favorite. I don't know if you guys know this, or I don't even know actually if it's noticeable, but my face is what's most noticeable about me losing weight. I know I mentioned that in my last video that I started working out, and I still am. I recently, on Monday, I got my gym membership to 24-hour fitness, so I'm gonna be going as much as I can. And the good thing is it's literally just down the street from where I work, so I could go after my morning shifts. Now I'm gonna be using this, but just a little bit of it. It's just gonna be talking about what I've been doing, my mess ups. Obviously I'm gonna add more mess ups because I really messed up. But now I already lost those 5 pounds that I had gained. Oh, by the way, I was using the Patrick Star. I'm gonna put it all over my face right now.
They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose.
Oh, by the way, if you want me to do your prom makeup, I'd be happy to. I'm gonna bronze my face using, of course, Hoola. And to bronze it, I'm gonna be using my Luxie 508 Dual Fiber Stripling Brush. Stippling, not strip. I always said strip. I'm so dumb.
But I'll cherish every day until you.
And to mix that, I'm gonna mix another color, Dallas by Benefit 2 right here. That one a little lower though. You know what? I don't bake anymore, but I kind of want to just down there and sharpen it up. For brush, I said brush, okay, blush, I'm gonna be using the Papa Don't Peach. Yeah, it's called Papa Don't Peach. Ooh. And these are so, what's it called? Glowy, kind of? Yeah, it's pretty glowy. I don't know if you could tell the difference.
With each new one starting.
The Morphe M5. Did I mention Mila's first teeth are growing, getting so big? I haven't even put her in a vlog or anything. I'm gonna the Luxie 182. I'm gonna go with the dark brown shade. Just
Next year you'll reappear for no reason.
and I'm gonna be using Roller Lash. Oh my god, you guys! Right now that I said Roller Lash, it reminded me of Roller World. From that show, what's it called? On my blog, dude. I started watching it, yeah, this past Saturday. I started at 8 o'clock and I finished it at 2 in the morning. And I want to sleep crying because I couldn't believe what happened. I don't want to spoil it for anyone that hasn't watched it. But, man, that's a good show. A really good show. I don't even watch shows anymore, so the fact that I got into that one, I feel like it's really good. Oh, by the way, this is my all-time favorite mascara.
Breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing.
For my lashes, I'm gonna be using my Lily lashes in Miami, my new faves, and the glue House of Lash. I don't know, I never used tweezers ever. I always just put them on like this. I mean, I don't think I do a bad job, but it's hard. I'm done with that. Now I'm gonna use highlight. For my highlight, for the first time ever, I'm gonna be trying the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter in Champagne. Dude, these things are so soft. Oh, it's so pretty. It smells so good. So I just highlighted one of my little pimples. It wants to say hi to the world. This is so pretty. I like it. It kind of reminds me of Trophy Wife. Yeah, look at it. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I love Physicians Formula. Okay, lastly, for lipstick, I'm gonna be using the Cocoa by Kylie Cosmetics in color Clo. Actually, I don't even know how this color is gonna look.
Painful but delightful too.
So, change of plan, guys. I'm gonna be using an Urban Decay lip gloss because that color did not look good at me at all. And now I'm trying to do a very hard sport, trying to take off the lipstick without ruining my makeup. You can never go wrong with lip gloss. Oh, by the way, this is the color Midnight Cowgirl from Urban Decay. It's exclusive to Ulta.
Cherish every day until you come my way this season.